In this tutorial, we will show you how to extract tables containing text from PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. First, you will click on Make a Zap. Then select PDF.co for the app event. For the action event, select Document Parser. Then continue. Now, connect your PDF.co account. Then continue. Under Setup Action, input the source file link to access the file. Then, put the ID of the document parser template. Continue. You may now test your document to make sure there are no errors in your file. Great. The test was successful. Now, we will show you how to create the template. Let's open the PDF file. We will use the Add field based on text search object to extract the invoice's total amount. Add the macros, check the rejects, and test. Now, let's extract the table line items from 1 to 45. Copy the JSON in the editor and change the start, end, row, and column values. We added a link of our step-by-step guide where you can copy the JSON code of this table object. Then set multipage to true. Now run the template to see the parsed items. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.